what is this? And what is this?
Shall we write Grayson?
Yeah.
G R A Y S O N. What does that say? Yay!
There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. One last thing. All right. How much is it? How much? $200. Here's my card. Thank you. You gonna give me a bag? Thank you. I gotta put it myself? Okay. Thank you. You owe me some change? You owe me a couple dollars? Thank you very much.
Looking at my drip, looking at your drip. Whoa, mommy, look.